Hey guys, welcome to another haul video. I am going to go through stuff that I got from February and probably going into March as well. So as always, I film these in separate clips. So whenever stuff comes in, I kind of film it and open it and then I can go ahead and use it, because a lot of the time I do need to use the stuff on clients or myself or press-ons or whatever. So starting off, I'm going to show you what I got from AliExpress. So I did pick up this 10 pack of nail glue. I put these into my press-on packages, and I kind of randomly, if I'm putting in an order from AliExpress and I need a certain amount for free shipping, I'll just add these in, because then I'll end up getting the free shipping and I will have extra nail glue. I do prefer the Manicure nail glue, but if I don't have Manicure, I will use these. So that is first up, and then next up we have Venalisa. So this colour in particular is Venalisa Gel Polish number 63, and I use this for a particular press-on nail set that I sell on Etsy, and I just ran out of this colour, so I had to restock it, and I'm just going to show you the colour. It's a gorgeous kind of a blood cherry red. So yeah, it's a really nice colour, and I don't buy a lot from Venalisa, but certain colours that I use for press-ons and things I do have to rebuy. So that is, and I do like them, they're really good. They're really thick though, so if you are using this polish, I would recommend doing 2 thin coats because it will wrinkle on you in the lamp. But I'm just going to show you the swatch of it because I do have it swatched now. It's gone a bit dull because this is an old swatch stick, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's gone very dull, but if you have a nice shiny top coat on it, it is stunning. So yeah, that's Venalisa number 63, so highly recommend that colour. Then next up we got some Venalisa tempered top coat. Again, I use this for press-ons. I use Beetle's top coat, but I also really like this top coat. They're both really shiny and durable. So I picked up this as well when I was just browsing on AliExpress, and can't go wrong with that top coat either. Now, next up, so I don't know if you would have watched my last haul, but I did get some Claresa gel in my last haul, and I'll just show it to you now because I have it here. So I got this Soft and Easy builder gel in the shade Milky Pink. Now, just so you're aware, it says builder gel, but it's not builder gel you can soak off. It's actually hard gel and it needs to be filed off. So just in case, but I really love this. I have a full video on me doing a gel nail set on myself using this, and I love it so far. I still have those nails on, but so I kind of went on again and made another little order on Claresa's website. So I'm just going to open this right now. I kind of went on like a few days after opening that gel, and I did make the order for their rubber base and their primer. So with my first order, I did also order their base and their top. So I kind of have a good bit of their system now, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to unbox it for you. Now this is Claresa, I'm nearly sure is a Polish brand, but I know they have bases and distributors all over Europe, and they have one in Ireland. And I have to say, yeah, they have one in Ireland, and I have to say the delivery has been so quick. Like, I ordered yesterday and it came within 24 hours, and the first one also came within 24 hours, even less than 24 hours. So that's amazing. They just include these little leaflets, and there's different information pieces on them. And I also have my invoice there as well. But I'm just going to show you what I ordered. Now, I didn't want to go too mad, but I have a feeling I will be ordering stuff from them in the future. Oh, they give me a free gift. Oh my god, that's so nice. That's so nice. Matte lipstick. Oh my god, that is so nice. But this is what I ordered. I ordered the rubber base, number 5. Apparently their rubber base is really, really good. Now the bottles are small, that's the only thing. But I will say they are inexpensive. So if you want to try them out, they're 5-gram bottles, but they're inexpensive. So if you didn't like it and you didn't want to repurchase it, you haven't gone spending 30 quid on a 15ml bottle, if you know what I mean. So I just think, yeah, I can't wait to try the rubber base. I'm going to keep you informed on all these products. And then I also got their Ultra Tape Primer. So that is the primer. So I have their base and I have their rubber base now as well. And then I also have their hard gel. So yeah, I'm going to keep you informed on what I think about it. But so far so good, just with everything, the customer service and the delivery times. Yeah, so I was kind of not influenced, but their brand ambassador, her name is Amy Louise Hayde. And she's on Instagram. So on her highlights, she has a lot of information about the brand Claresa. So I was really kind of taking note of what she was saying before I bought anything. And she really recommended this, and she really recommended the Ultra Tape Primer specifically. So yeah, I kind of just said I would try out her recommendations first, as she has been using this brand for years and loves it. So if you want to check her Instagram out, it is Amy Louise Hayde. And yeah, okay. So guys, that's that rubber base there, and that is that swatched. It's absolutely gorgeous, really, really opaque. So what I did was I just did a slip layer on the inside and I built it up a tiny bit, just like you do with a biab or anything like that. Just built up a little bit, and that is it there. So that's rubber base 5. So I'm really happy with that now. Can't wait to see how it goes on my clients. Okay, so we're back on a different day. I think this is about a week later, and this order is from Glitterbels Ireland, and I did go on and order probably my favourite shade in their builder gel, which is Dolly. And I have shown this so many times, but I'll just take it out to show you, because in case this is your first time seeing one of my videos, but this is what the shade Dolly looks like. It's a gorgeous pale kind of neutral pink, and I use that for most of my ombres and most of my French tips, and just mostly for a nude background for nail art. Again, this is a brush on builder gel, aka builder in a bottle, biab, some people call it. But yeah, this is Glitterbels one, and I do love this shade Dolly. So while I was ordering that, I have to do a minimum order, I think, of 25 euros. So I just added in some acetone, because I didn't need anything else from the website. So I didn't want to just go buy in colours and stuff. I'm trying to cut down on that if I can, you know. So I've just got a necessity, which is acetone. Ooh, I think it's kind of leaking. It feels like it is leaking a little bit. Or maybe it's just the feel of the bottle is cold. But yeah, so this is just some acetone, so 250 mils, and oh yeah, it's leaking. Okay, I'm going to transfer that now quickly out of this box. Okay, so I'm back. It wasn't the bottle that was actually leaking. Well, it wasn't the bottom, it was actually near the top, so it was okay. I just have to stand it upright. And so next we have another Claresa. So yeah, kind of getting addicted to Claresa. So in between, when I know on this video I did show me getting their rubber base number 5, and I did really like it. I've done, I think, 3 sets with it so far, so I decided to put in an order for another one, just in case it runs out on me. I don't really want it to run out. So I did also get another couple of colours. So let's see what we have here. Yeah. So I got, I'm excited to show these. These are very similar, but on the website they look different. So I'm going to just see. I'm actually going to swatch these so you can see, and we can find out together whether the pastels are good or not, because that's a good indicator usually. And we have just then in the bottom just our invoice and the little leaflets that came with the last set. So Yeah, so that's the rubber base number 5 again. And I'm just going to put that with my other one. I really did enjoy that. It's actually very similar in colour to the Glitterbels gel that I just showed you, and that's in the shade Dolly. This is really, really similar to Dolly. So it's kind of a good dupe to have as well for Dolly. Okay, so just to let you know, these come in a good glass bottle. Now they don't have the swatch on top, but they do have a very similar colour on their whole lid, which is very handy. Don't mind that too much. So this is Lollipop 5, and I'm going to go ahead and do some swatching. Oh, wow, that's opaque. That is opaque. I particularly lilac as well, or lavender, whichever you want to call it. Is it lavender or lilac? This one, this is a hard colour to get to be not annoying and not head wrecking. That is unreal. That is unreal. That's one coat. Okay, I'm going to cure that. Summer Stories in 7, and I'm just interested to see how different they are once they're on swatch sticks. Oh yeah, that looks different. And I do like as well with their brushes, they have the really small brush and it's rounded at the top. So I really do like their brushes, because you know when you're doing nails and you do nails all day, brushes are so important. Because an annoying brush will just put you off a brand totally. And this one is definitely more of a purple. It's just purple really. It's not anyway near pastel. This is purple, and it's a really gorgeous purple. I do not think that I have a purple like this one. That is one coat of that one. And then we're going to do Funky Disco 3. So this is their flash glitter as far as I know. Oh, it's reflective. I think this, yeah, this is a coral. Ooh. This is going to be so big in the summer, I just know. Wow. Look at that. I'll turn the flash on now towards the end just to see if it is reflective, because I'm really not sure. Okay, so those are the 3 swatched with top coat on, and as you can see there is quite a vast difference between the 2 purple colours, and that coral shimmer is just a shimmer, it is not a reflective, just in case you were wondering. But yeah, these are the 3 of them, absolutely love them, so cute. Okay, so next up we have something from AliExpress, and these are the little round swatches that go on the top of bottles. So I basically have a lot of Born Pretty polishes now, and they are starting to build up, and they don't have a swatch on the top. So what I'm going to do is swatch the colours, and I'm going to pop them on top here. Now, a lot of my gel polishes that I use, they do come with those swatches built in, so that's why I've never really had to buy these before, but you do get quite a lot in this. So this says 120 pieces round false nail display, and it does come with adhesive sticker, so 120, so this is quite good. Also, I do have, as you've seen me kind of build up Claresa, and they don't have a swatch on the top either, but I'm thinking they do have this label which is very close to the colour, so I don't think I'll swatch these. I don't think there's a need to swatch these. I don't really want to do unnecessary work if I don't have to. But yeah, this is this colour here actually. Funky Disco, it's absolutely gorge. But yeah, so these were about $4.69 including postage from AliExpress. So a little bit cheaper than Amazon still, because I did look up both. So if you are looking to get some and you can wait just a little bit longer, I think it only took just over a week, maybe a week and a half to come from AliExpress. And I think it was a couple of euros cheaper. So yeah, if you're able to wait, I'd always go with AliExpress for items like this, you know. So that's very good. I can't wait to start swatching so I can know where all my Born Pretties are now, because when I just had a few of them, I could pick them out and easily enough just pick up and look at the number. but as it's growing, especially with all the cat eyes, I'm getting mixed up with picking them out when I'm trying to get them. So yeah, these will be handy. Okay, so next up we have this UV builder gel from the Manicure Company, and it's in the shade French Pink, and I actually love this gel. So this is the one product from the Manicure Company I do always go back to. So I'm just going to open it here. It's just the perfect French pink for gel extensions particularly, and I have a couple of clients that, well, I have maybe 3 clients that this gel just really suits. So I just always try and keep it in stock, so whenever I run out I just go down to my local hair and beauty supply shop and pick it up. I'm just going to try and pull it back without. So that's it there. It's just a gorgeous sheer pink and it's perfect for French, and I can't seem to find anything in a hard gel that's exactly like it, so I just always go back to this one. For example, like what I have on here now is gorgeous. This is from Claresa, but it's very, you know, it's very opaque pink. This is more of a sheer. So yeah, this is really, really good. So that's 30 grams of the Manicure Company in French Pink. So that's it for that haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much if you made it this far. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.